Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is Earphone Tuesdays, the feature where we unbox and review audio products, and usually earphones or headphones. Today we're going to be unboxing a set of KitSound Edge. Now this is a brand that's relatively well known in the budget space of the audiophiles sphere, and KitSound is a brand that you'll usually find in supermarkets. This particular model I found in Aldi. Yes, Aldi, the German supermarket chain, which is doing very well in the UK, has a center aisle thing. So they don't regularly have electrical products in their stores, and they only occasionally have them. And usually when they do, they're very good value for money. So in this case, the KitSound Edge were around about £15 sterling, and so I purchased them from my local Aldi. Oh, there's even more plastic packaging. Great chance to use my jerry rig everything knife to get in. There we go. Okay then, let's see what the KitSound Edge are about. Whoa, okay. So, first things first, we have an instruction manual, which I'm sure we'll read at some point. And the packaging is all about cardboard. There's very little plastic in here, which is good to see. The cable we get for charging this set of Bluetooth headphones is a USB Type-A on one end to micro USB on the other. So that's USB Type-A to USB micro USB. And the headphones are very, very, very lightweight. Surprisingly so. So you have right earphone, left earphone, indicated by R and L. What I'm going to do is set these up. I'll give them a charge before I do. I'll be testing these with an iPhone 13 Pro, a Google Pixel 5 and a Google Pixel 6 Pro, just to get a feel for how easy it is to pair the headphones, and then get back to you with a sample video call with our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukasz, and after that we'll come back to you with our full first impressions and review of this set of earphones from KitSound. I'll be back in a moment.
And recording this segment on the Google Meet call with our Chief Aperture. Hey Lukasz, how are you?
I'm good, but I can barely hear you. I'm not sure if the cause is with the microphone or if it's the phone setup.
It's probably the microphone. So we tried the KitSound Edge in multiple settings and multiple polling settings, and this is probably as good as it gets. So maybe not good. But anyway, happy birthday.
Thanks, Matteo.
Great. We'll let our viewers make their own decision on what this is like, if this is well, and get back to a full review in a minute. Thanks for the call, Lukasz.
Cheers.
Okay then, so I'm back. And after having spent some time with the KitSound Edge Bluetooth earphones, I have to say, they're okay, as in they're passable for sound. They're overly bassy, so the sound is a bit distorted by how bassy these headphones are, and the overall round quality is not great, as in it struggles to get some trebles in there as well. So they're obviously geared towards people who like listening to pop or techno music, but the overall quality is not great. The other thing that you saw in our brief video call with our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukasz, is the microphone is barely hearable when in use for video calls. And we did try this with multiple services, not just Google Meet, and it was pretty much the same. So if you're not looking for a great set of earphones in terms of sound quality, and you don't need to use them to make many calls, video calls, using services such as Google Meet, Skype, Telegram, WhatsApp, or whatever else you use, these might be for you. But I would say for the value for money, for that £15 sterling, you can buy these at Aldi. You can also buy them on Amazon, but you can probably get a better pair of earphones for the same price or just slightly more. So still staying under the £20 sterling mark, you'll get a better set of earphones. Now, apart from the sound quality, which both with regards to the sound and the earphones and the microphone is not great. The headset is light, it's comfortable to wear for long periods of time, and I had no issues with the Bluetooth connectivity itself. Both on the iPhone, the Google Pixel, connections were pretty clear and had no issues going across my house without taking my phone with me. So overall, the Bluetooth is good, but I'm a bit disappointed by the headphones as a whole. So that's the overall feeling I have of this device after a few hours using it. Not great, but barely passable in terms of usage. And I would say go and get another set if you're interested in having slightly better sound quality or a better microphone for the same price. Anyway, that's all for now for this review of the KitSound Edge earphones. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more coverage of consumer electronics, gadgets, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.